Hello, and welcome to another edition of Neuroscience for Brainiacs, where we'll explore... Wait, what? No, hold the phone. Brain science isn't boring. It's fun and useful, especially when you can use it to be a better human at work. Hello, I'm Jeff Nally, and I create no-nonsense neuroscience solutions to help you be more engaging, successful, and human in your work. Do you feel like blowing your top when people on your team don't do what you ask them to do? What about cringing under the stress of competitors that are outsmarting you right and left? Let me show you 5 ways to dampen those emotional amygdala hijacks that keep you from thinking clearly and taking action. And instead of telling, commanding, and trying to control your employees, I'll show you 3 brain-based coaching questions that get employees focused, productive, and performing. Let me take the mystery out of brain science and help you get results with the brain in mind.